Let's see how you can log out of your Facebook account on all devices using your iPhone or Android. For that, first you have to open up your Facebook app, then go ahead and hit the menu icon. Next, press the settings gear icon and from here head into Account Center. Now choose password and security. Under that, go to where you are logged in. Pick the account you want to manage and you will now see a list of all the devices where your Facebook is currently signed in. You can individually log out from here, but I go for the red option that says select devices to log out. Here you can either choose individual devices or simply hit select all to log out from everything. Once you are done selecting, just press log out. After selecting logout, you will need to verify your account by entering verification code. And that's it. Your account will be signed out from all devices successfully. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.